Alright, boys and girls, here's the introduction to your 3.6 task, a Solidify task, Curbside Rivalry. We've got Carlos and Clarita again, the very industrious young teenagers. They're trying to paint logos for the favorite sports teams because they have neighborhood rivalries. Okay, they figured on making some money doing this, and they figured out for their designs a curbside logo will require 48 inches squared of paint, and a driveway mascot will require, so we'll say mascot, 16 feet squared of paint. We would have had to convert these to the other form, but we decided to skip that. This part of the task right here is for a optimization function at the end of the task, and we're just going to kind of talk about it and not do the whole thing. Okay, so the first part is, this is just to warm students up with reducing square roots. If a curbside logo was in the shape of a square, what would its dimensions be? Well, we figured that out by drawing ourselves a little picture. And remember, we're talking about a curbside logo, so this area must be 48 inches squared. Okay, we know the sides have to be the same length because this is a square. We know the area of a square is side times side, so we've got x squared equals 48. We can skip the inches squared for now. So we need to figure out exactly what the measurement is. This was going to warm students up for how to break down radicals. So I take the square root of both sides. The square root of anything squared drops out, and I have the square root of 48. What is the square root of 48? How can we break this down? Well, the best idea for students, if they can't immediately look at this and see, well, the largest perfect square that goes into that is 16. If you can't see that right away, then you should do a prime factor tree. Let's see, 224, 212, 26, and 23. We've got 2 to the 4th power times 3. 2 to the 4th power times 3. So the square root of this thing to the 4th power, remember this is like saying the exponent there and this index becomes the denominator. This is 2 squared. 2 squared is 4. So the dimensions of this, and this is in inches, wow, this is tiny. This would be 4 times rad 3 inches squared. Rad 3 is about 1.7, something like that. So we're talking about 7 inches squared. That's what the dimensions of the square would be. Okay, let's go on to the next video.